little introduction to this video, my latest makeup video. So in a very short while you will see how I go through the process of these big glorious drag queen style lower lashes that are meant for the top, but today we're sticking them on the bottom. So enjoy. Good morning, darlings. Here we are again. A long overdue makeup video. Cold coffee. Ugh. Oh, I'm going to nuke that in a minute. Right, so we are doing lower eyelashes today. So I'm only going to use one set, but dramatic effect. So normally these are just cat's eyes eyelashes that are used for upper eyelashes, but we're going to reverse them and use them for lower eyelashes. But obviously there's going to need a little bit of prep work prior to that happening. So eyeliner, a pretty standard typical gel eyeliner, small brush, very fine brush that I'm using here. So try not to stab your eye or knock your brushes off the table, which I'm really good at. So I'm going for the over dramatic, super smoky look. So I'm lining the inside of my eyes as well. I will have little black eye boogies for the rest of the day because I use so much of this. There we go. So it's the gel part done there. So now we're going to get the powder and a fine brush and smoke it out a little bit. Yeah. Bit of spit. There we go. Invariably you do get a little bit of makeup dropout going on the other. Just leave it there for the minute, don't touch it. There we go, it's coming along. It's at this point now that you should be really refining the shape of whatever makeup style you're doing around the eye. There we go. Okay. So as you can see, I've got you can see the darkness of the dropout from the makeup. So highlighter white and just brush it off. Just nice and gentle. Don't go hard, or you'll, if you go in hard, you'll just grind it in, and then it will just look like a grey smudge. So don't do it. There we go. Now to stick that eyelash on. So these typically about £4 to £6 each pair. Cat eyelashes, just from my local makeup store. There we go. Whoop, that's gone. A bit of cat will pounce on that in a minute. Go on, Pussycat, get that. Right. So, as you can see, there's no need to reverse it. You're not doing anything weird or wonderful. You're taking the right side. That's going on the right. That's going on the left. So, gently prise the eyelash off. And sometimes it can deform a little bit with the removal, so just use your fingers and just regain its shape. Eyelash glue, pretty standard W7. So I'm just applying some eyelash glue onto the edge of the eyelash. Like I said, these ones are typically upper eyelashes, but we're going to use them as a lower eyelash, go a bit drag queeny and over exaggerate. So the glue's now on the eyelash, but what we're going to do, as I've stressed it before, put some glue under the eye as well. So you make a good adhesive bond. You just put it on the eyelash and stick it on your face. Quite often it will just peel off at some point. It's like two pieces of wood, glue on both sides. So there we go. Use those tweezers to get it into position. And once it's in position, touch more glue along the edges. That's it. Excellent. Obviously, for the sake of brevity, I am not going to duplicate the left side. We've done that. Just just do the same process again for your other eye. So, however, back in a second, I've left a little time for the glue to dry. So out comes the gel again, and what you're doing is just blending over the top with the gel eyeliner to hide the line. So you will have probably some areas that you've missed initially, and then there's the glue line, and now you're just going over it gently, just overlap the corner, and you're just hiding the edges. That's all you're doing, hiding the edges and making it look all seamless and flawless, which is what you want. There we go. Looking absolutely over the top, but glorious. So gorgeous people again. Finished the makeup. My wonderful hairdresser has been and gone. Glorious hair. Nails need infills, but hey, don't look at those. As you can see, the eyelashes totally over the top. Glorious though. So, Halloween's coming up. Go for it. Get those big eyelashes on your face. Hope you like, and see you soon.